We all will love to earn some passive income. It could be that you're already running a business that's not making enough, or perhaps you want to start a side hustle but are not sure what to do. How about you get a machine to do the heavy lifting for you? If that's the case, then there is no better place to launch your search than Alibaba. The Chinese retail and e-commerce multinational has virtually every machine you can think of. There is a lot to choose from fitness equipment and beauty machines to ice cream makers and 3D printers. In this video, I'll discuss 10 unique machines on Alibaba that you can use to make money. The equipment number 1 is just the perfect investment for the creatives. Watch out for it. I'll provide the links to the 10 machines on Alibaba in the description box. Without much ado, here are 10 unique Alibaba machines you can make money with. 10. Smart Popcorn Machine. Popcorn machines are pretty popular nowadays, and part of that is because they are easy to set up and buy. However, why don't you get a smart one instead of buying just any popcorn machine? After all, it's all about going unique. One example from Alibaba is the full automatic commercial cinema high-definition smart popcorn vending machine, which costs $4,200 excluding shipping fees. The popcorn machine is unique because it features an interactive 14.5-inch high-definition touchscreen that allows customers to click and buy. The other reason is that it's coin-operated, and together with the first reason, you don't have to be there to monitor the machine or serve the customers. Smart popcorn machines are lucrative when stationed along high-traffic areas such as on busy streets, a mall or bus terminal, or around a movie theater or sports stadium. 9. Automatic multi-flavor ice cream machine. Ice cream machines are just popular as popcorn machines, and part of the reason is their affordability and ease of running. But since we are talking about unique machines, we're not talking about just any other ice cream maker. Now, it has to be unique. One consideration is for it to be automatic, and the other one is to allow you to make ice creams of different flavors. And that's what you get from the professional commercial automatic ice cream machine. This unique ice cream maker offers you 3 flavors and goes for $570 on Alibaba. And since it's an automatic ice cream maker, all you have to do is to load it with the ingredients and wait for it to do its thing. 8. Commercial coffee beans and nuts roasting machine. Are you a fan of roasting coffee beans or nuts? Then consider getting a commercial coffee beans and nuts roasting machine from Alibaba. An option like the commercial oven coffee bean nut soybean roasting machine goes for $250 per set, and you can use it to roast coffee beans, peanuts, soybeans, groundnuts, and sunflower seeds among other nuts. Overall, you can set up this roasting machine in your garage space and start roasting the coffee beans and nuts and selling them. It is, however, best stationed at a food shop, restaurant, printing shop, bakery, beverage shop, or hotel. 7. 3D printer. We live in a world where almost key players employ computer-based designs or CADs and need 3D printers to do the job. These unique printers use CAD to create 3D objects through material layering. So far, 3D printers are employed in the automotive, aerospace, medical, dental, manufacturing, construction, education, architecture, and interior design sectors, creating consumer goods, functional aids, industrial products, and prototypes among many other products. If you are creative, you can get a 3D printer and use it to start a business in any of those niches I've mentioned. And one consideration is the 2 Trees commercial school office use 3D printer. This high-speed, semi-automatic, high-accuracy 3D printer costs $189 on Alibaba. 6. Multi-purpose labeling machine with date printer. From bottles and cans to plastics and stickers, there is a lot to label, and that's where multi-purpose labeling machine comes in. Not only that, the provision of a date printer even makes the labeling machine a wise investment if you are looking to rent it out or do the job for others. One exciting multi-purpose labeling machine with a date printer is a skilled desktop beer cans bottle wraparound machine, which cost $2,600 on Alibaba. This labeling machine is best for labeling beverages, food, commodities, packaging materials, sticker labels, and adhesive labels. It labels 10 to 60 pieces per minute, which is relatively fast and generally easy to operate. Wait a minute. I know you're enjoying this video. What about you give me a thumbs up by liking it? Then subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay informed on our latest epic videos. Let's continue. 5. Multifunctional facial skincare machine. A multifunctional facial skincare machine is a good investment for anyone running a beauty spa or salon. Most of these machines have more than one draw, which is the case of the multifunctional professional Hydro Diamond facial beauty salon machine. This facial skincare machine costs $746.76 on Alibaba and usually targets the body, face, and around the eyes. You can use it for pigment removal, skin pore cleaning, skin tightening, dark circles removal, and skin rejuvenation. So it's likely to be a good investment for your beauty spa or salon business that will attract a lot of beauty-conscious females. The beauty machine employs advanced hydro-diamond technology with microdermabrasion vacuum oxygen to promote the best facial and skincare results. 4. Portable laser hair removal machine. Laser hair removal machines eliminate unwanted hair, especially on the legs, armpits, upper lip, and chin. However, you should not use these machines around the eyelid or on tattooed areas, as such spots are pretty delicate. And while laser hair removal doesn't permanently remove hair, it's much more effective and faster than shaving and waxing. You can go for the Hot Sales Portable 808nm diode laser hair removal machine, whose starting price minus shipping fee is $783 on Alibaba. The laser hair removal machine helps with hair removal, pigment removal, and skin rejuvenation. 3. Portable ultrasound machine. Medical imaging technology has gone a notch higher. Nowadays, we have got portable ultrasound machines that allow medical professionals to view internal body organs and develop a more conclusive diagnosis. So if you are in the medical space or run such a business, you may want to get a portable ultrasound machine. One unique option to consider is a Mindray DP10 ultrasound machine laptop. Just imagine an ultrasound machine the size of a laptop and one that works as such. That's what you get when you procure the Mindray DP10. It costs $699 on Alibaba, which is way cheaper than its non-portable counterparts. The ultrasound machine features a 15-inch LED digital display for precise imaging. It's a plug-and-play option that is easy to use by licensed medical practitioners. From monitoring the unborn child's development to detecting severe medical issues on the prostate, genitals, breasts, and muscles, you can do it all with the Mindray DP10 ultrasound machine laptop. 2. HighSpeed multi-purpose printer. Another printer you can get is a HighSpeed multi-purpose printer that allows you to print on paper bags, plastic bags, ordinary paper, non-woven bags, t-shirts, and other garments in plastic surfaces. You get that from the 8-color Satellite Flexo printing machine, whose starting price on Alibaba is $175,000. This machine employs flexographic printing technology, which works on various surfaces and materials to promise high-quality prints and images. It's a low-noise, large-capacity printer that's the best for garment shops, printing shops, beverage spots, construction sites, manufacturing plants, or building shops. The printer offers you up to 10 8-color options for versatility. 1. Automatic jewelry making machine. Lastly, let's talk about the automatic jewelry making machine, something I promise you should watch out for. So, are you creative, handy, and perhaps passionate about jewelry? If yes, then consider investing in an automatic jewelry making machine. This machine allows you to make jewelry, especially chains, and sell them. One fantastic option on Alibaba is the 100 watt, 150 watt automatic gold silver chain making machine. As the name suggests, this is a chain maker, and you can use it to make gold and silver chains and copper and stainless steel options. It employs laser technology to cut the chains to shape and air cooling technology to cool them after molding. The best part is that the custom chain maker works continuously for 24 hours to allow you to make as many chains as possible. Now you know the 10 unique Alibaba machines that could make you money, and you can get whatever you fancy the most. But in the meantime, here is another video on how to make money with unique AliExpress machines that you'll enjoy watching. See you there.